Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Sal here, freestockpicks.org. If you're not already a subscriber, please click subscribe right now. I am bringing you guys today more great news after that email I sent you guys out on July 23rd from my mailing list. That's why you got to be a part of my mailing list. July 23rd. I don't send out a lot of emails, but when I do have something to share, it's more than likely going to make you some money. So July 23rd, I sent out this email. I said, stocks to watch this August is going to be Revenge of the Earnings Losers. And for the most part, most of these stocks have done very well. Sprint speaks for itself. It's been in a whole nother lane. Huge winner for me and a lot of other people. We're still waiting for some of these other stocks to develop. MoneyGram, working its way out of a hold. Office Depot, good winner there. Ultra Petrol, we're still waiting. Gas prices are up, so we're looking forward to Ultra Petrol doing something here over the next couple days. Ruby Tuesdays, but New York and Company, that's what this video is about, ladies and gentlemen. New York and Company, I brought this to you guys' attention at $1.75. And ladies and gentlemen, buy and hold works. So many of you guys are Tim Sykes wannabes, and I got to call some of you guys out. You're horrible at doing it, because I know you're not making money, but you continue to believe in that strategy of just trying to get in and out, wasting your money on commissions when you can simply buy and hold and make money over a period of time, whether it be 7, 14 days, 20 days, or 30 days. Buy and hold strategy works. It's worked over and over for me, and that's how I make money. When you find good companies with beat up stock prices. Again, good companies with beat up stock prices, and New York and Company is one of those companies. Again, I brought that to you guys at $1.75 on the 23rd, so that was right in here. So when I jumped in, I had to let the family know about it. And look at this chart. I saw the chart development. Look how beautiful that chart is. I mean, you want to talk about buy and hold? That's the type of chart you look for. You can set it and forget it and make money over a period of time. Watch as your money grows. Why wouldn't you want to be a part of that? What are you rushing to get out there when many of you aren't making money doing that? Okay? Stop being a Tim Sykes wannabe, please. All right, so news came out today. They dropped earnings today, and again, if you were reading the news that was coming out over the over the last 30 days, the re-signing of their private label credit card deal, another 10-year deal they signed with the credit card for their private label New York and Company credit card. That was a huge sign right there that sales were a little bit more brisk than people thought they were going to be, and that right there really cemented it for me that look, they are up to something, and big news is coming down the pipe. And as we went into earnings today, there was some hesitation in the stock this morning. It spiked up, it came back down. The shorters wanted to take, so we've gotten some people already trapped in there who are going to be getting the hell up out of there. And obviously, after hours, when the news came out that they beat earnings, yes, by just a penny, but it doesn't matter. When you beat, you beat. Okay, I don't care how wide or how small. You beat expectations. You beat expectations. And at the end of the day, after hours, we're looking at the stock now up nearly 30% after hours. Look at that. We're probably going to earn $1 a share tomorrow, and we haven't waited not even 30 days to do that. How would you like to earn $1 a share on your investment at $1.75? Look, there's some people, again, you slapped 10 grand down, you slapped 5 grand down, you got a lot of shares, and tomorrow morning, guess what? You're going to really get bank tomorrow morning. I know I am. I'll tell you that for a fact. So this is the kind of things you can do to make some serious money. Stop worrying about getting 200 here, 300 bucks there. Get some serious money by really looking at the buy and hold strategy and making it work for you by looking for good companies with beat up stock prices. Good companies beat up stock prices. All right, so the shorters, they're trying to spin it on Twitter, but it's not working. At the end of the day, we're gonna earn huge tomorrow. So I know I'm getting the hell up out of there tomorrow morning, but I'm just going to be jumping back in and out if we end up really running huge. But obviously, I want to take my profits as high as I can get it. So we're gonna be trying to time that top tomorrow morning. That's for sure. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to bring that to your attention. Another great win. New York and Company beating earnings expectations. And look, it's always dangerous to bet on earnings. It's dangerous. I mean, this could have been a really bad way to do things. But when you know really look at the fundamentals, you do the research, you read the reports that are coming out, the news that's been coming out, you can get somewhat of a accurate idea of what to expect when it comes to earnings. You know, when you're playing that game of just jumping from stock to stock and trying to get 3% here, 4% here, and basically scalping 200, $300. Look, guys, there's a better way to trade. I honestly believe there's a better way to trade. It's your boy Sal, freestockpicks.org. Sign up, click subscribe right now to this channel if you aren't already a subscriber. Big win, big win, big win. Gotta love it. Up after hours, up going to be tomorrow. So we'll see how this turns out, guys. New York and Company. Take care. Bye-bye.